to create a regular email campaign in Mailerlite and how to send it to your subscriber list. Let's get started. An email campaign setup is setting up and sending emails to your subscriber list. To create an email campaign, you need to have a subscriber email list and email copy, including the subject line and email content. An email campaign can be set up for various purposes. You can create one campaign to re-engage your audience, or you can create another campaign for selling your product. Or maybe, if you want to send educational content, you can create another email campaign. Whatever the reason for creating a campaign, the process of creating an email campaign is the same. Follow the process I am going to show you in this video, and I assure you that you won't find the need to watch any other video on YouTube for this purpose. I am logged into my Mailerlite account. This is the free account I am using to create this demonstration video. Click on Campaigns from the menu and click on Create. Enter the name of your campaign. This name is visible only to you. Your audience will not be able to see this name. I will type Mailerlite email campaign. I will select the type regular campaign and click on Save and Continue. Your campaign is now created. It is time to add details to your campaign. Enter the value in the subject field. This value will be the subject line of your email. I will type the email subject here. Welcome. Here is your free account. You have the option to add emoticons. Let's add one. This is how you can add a subject line. Mailerlite allows you to personalize the subject line. If you want to add the subscriber's first name, last name, company, or any other information, it will allow you to do that. Simply click on Insert Personalization and select whatever information you would like to add. Let's say I want to add the first name. I will click on the subject line and set the cursor. Now, I will click on Insert Personalization and select Name. If you see here, Mailerlite added a short code for the first name. When you send this email campaign, the Mailerlite application will replace this short code with the subscriber's first name. Now, let's update the sender name and email address. I will keep the name as it is. I will update the email ID to hello@salesmarketingideas.ga. It is always a good idea to use the domain name email ID rather than Gmail or email ID provided by public email service provider. This improves your email credibility and reputation. Thus, it reduces the chances of your email landing in the junk or spam folder. If you want to check how to add a custom domain to your Mailerlite account, I will add a link at the top right corner of this video. The next step is to set up tracking options. This will allow you to track your subscribers' activities like email opening, link clicks, etc. Make sure the Track Opens checkbox is ticked so that you can track your campaign's performance. If you want to use Google Analytics to track your subscribers' activity, click on Enable UTM tags. I will create a separate video to explain you how you can use Google Analytics to track your email campaign. If you want a video on this topic, comment below and let me know. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell icon. Next, select the language. For this video, I will keep the default value. Once done, click on the Next button. This is the place where you will design your email. Mailerlite provides us with 4 options to select from. You can only see 3 options here on the screen. However, there is one more option that is not directly visible. Keep watching this video. I will show you all the 4 ways. If you are an expert and know how to write HTML code, Mailerlite provides us with a custom HTML editor option. Let's try it out. I will click on Continue. You should see this page with a custom HTML code editor. Let's quickly write an HTML code. You can see the preview on the left hand side. I have the option to add snippets. I will click on the snippets tab. You can add shortcodes for the first name, last name, email ID, etc. to make the email more personalized. Let's say I want to add the first name. Under custom fields, I will select name and click on copy. I will go back to the content tab and type hello, comma. I will paste the copied value. Similarly, I can add an unsubscribe link to my email body. I will go back to the snippets tab, click on copy and paste it into the email body. Once I am done editing the email, I will click on done editing. It will take me to the next step. Here, I will need to select the recipient list. Select your recipient list and click on next button. Here, you will get to review your campaign details. If everything looks good, click on the schedule button. Since I am using the free account which is not approved yet, this button is disabled. I will show you what the scheduling looks like using my paid account. I am logged into my Mailerlite paid account. This is what the schedule page looks like. You can send the email campaign immediately or send it later. If you click on send later, Mailerlite will ask you to select the date, time and time zone. On clicking schedule, your email campaign will be scheduled to send it at the requested date and time. Now, let's have a look at the other three options. If you are finding this video interesting and helpful, could you please click on the like and subscribe button? Let's move ahead. I have created a new campaign. I will now select the rich text editor. If you see here, Mailerlite has opened a new editor for us. You can add your text here. I will type welcome within curly braces, $sign followed by name, space to the Mailerlite. Note that I have added a short code for the first name. You can add elements like images, dividers, text, tables, etc. by clicking on the plus icon. Let's say I want to add a button. I will click on this plus icon and select the button. In order to update the properties, I will click on the button and the properties tab will be displayed on the right hand side frame. Let's say I want to add a URL. I will go here and type salesmarketingideas.ga. I will change the button text to buy now. I will click on the icon below call to action and change the button color to green. Once I finish the editing, I will click on save and click on done editing. The remaining process is the same as I explained earlier. Now let's check the third way to design your email. I will click on continue under drag and drop editor. If you see here, you have predefined components which you can edit or remove as per your needs. Also, if you check the left hand side of the page, you get many options to select, drag and drop in the email body. I will select this component and drag it inside the email body. If you want to make changes to the component, simply click on it and you will see the option to edit on the right hand side. This feature allows you to create a beautiful looking custom email body using a drag and drop feature. As I mentioned earlier, there is a fourth way to design your email body, and this is the quick way to design your email body. The fourth option is to click on the template gallery tab. Here you will see many pre-designed templates. Select the one that best suits your need. You have the option to preview each one of them. I will choose this template, and the next step is to click on each component and edit it. You also have the flexibility to drag and drop a new component into this predefined template. This is how you can create a regular email campaign in Mailerlite. Using the drag and drop feature, even a beginner can create professionally looking email designs. If this video helped you, please click on the like and subscribe button. This will encourage me to create more educational videos like this one. If you have any questions, post them in the comment section. If you want a free Mailerlite account with 1000 contacts and 12,000 per month email sending capabilities, register for free using the link in the description. Thank you.